Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to pull up Google Classroom and activate your email and so we can be in contact and you guys can understand what we're going to be doing for the next month or so. So this is assuming you know how to sign into your Chromebook and you know how to get to this main page. A lot of the time it will pull up a screen right away, but this is assuming that you have no screen pulled up and you are going to launch Google Chrome. So I don't know if this is the first page that comes up for you, but this is just the Google page. So what you can do from here is a lot of the times they'll have something in the corner that says Gmail, but let's assume that it doesn't and we need to type it in. So we would put Gmail, and look, the computer already knows it. Your computer probably does as well. And press enter. And so it brings me to this page. My email is a little different than yours. Mine ends in SFUSD, but all of yours should be your email, whatever that is, at s.sfusd.edu. Okay, so you're gonna have a different email. Maybe I should show it with somebody's email. So let's pretend I'm Eric and I'm signing into my email, right? So I put in my email at s.sfusd and I'm signing in. So then it's going to pull you to your email right away. So, like Eric, you should also have all these posts with my name and it says Classroom. So there's two ways you can access Google Classroom. It's either from here, your actual email, and you'll see things I've posted. So you should get a notification in your email. Look at all these notifications he's gotten from me. And then you also can access it from over here. If you see in the top right corner, there's about, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's like 9 little dots in the corner. Just click on that. And then it'll bring you to all these options and you're going to click on Classroom. And so it gives you two options. It looks like this was maybe your last year's teacher and you're going to click on this year. Okay, so this is going to bring you to the stream. This is where I post things that I want you to see. So that was all the emails that he had about the posts I've made. There's links for websites of things you guys can do. And then here are some sight words. We have the schedule that you should be following of the work you should be doing. All sorts of things. I want you to ignore all of that for now because I'm going to have us mostly focus and have you mostly check on things in the classwork tab. So if you see at the top, we have stream and then we have classwork. I want you to click on classwork. Okay. So it will have here different assignments for you to do. I'm going to be posting assignments here daily for you to complete. So this is really important that you know how to sign in and access this tab, the classwork tab. And in general, you know how to work Google Classroom. Think of this like your new classroom. So you don't have a desk and a chair and you don't have your teacher in person, but you have a virtual space with all your work on it. So I want you to click on whatever it is that I've assigned you. Today it was a little form, a quiz, and it's asking you to sign back in. So this is pretending I'm Eric. I would sign back in to make sure they know that's who I am. And then it's going to have you fill out this Google form. So I just want you to fill out with your name and if you understood what this video is saying and all of that stuff. Something I want to talk about too while I have you here is rules about using Google Classroom. So I'm going to bring you back to this stream. We're not going to be using this space to do anything other than appropriate class work and doing things that relate to learning. So I want to just put that out there right now that there's zero tolerance for any inappropriate use or anything other than what the purpose of this platform is. The platform is Google Classroom. So as you fill out the form, I want to make sure you understand the rules of using technology and that we're only using it to learn and nothing else. Okay, I also wanted to show you guys how to send me an email. So if we're here, let's say you're back in this page, you're gonna go to back to the dots and you're gonna click on Gmail. Okay, and here, if you guys ever have any questions for me, you're gonna click compose, which means like you're creating something, and you're gonna type in, I wonder if you even typed in my name, if it comes up. It does. So if you just wanna type, you wanna email Miss Wu something, you're gonna type in my name, or you can type in my email, which you should all know, wua3@sfusd.edu. And let's say you always put a subject. So let's say you have a question and you're going to say, Miss Wu, I am confused about question number 3 in the Learn book. Please help me. And you would put your name, Eric. Okay, and then you would send me an email and then I would receive it and email you back and you would get it in this page, okay? So maybe you guys need to go through your email and delete some so you know if you have any new emails coming up, okay? So remember, there's 2 ways to access Google Classroom, either here from your email or using the dots and clicking on Google Classroom. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I miss all of you. I hope you're doing great.